Planning a trip that includes both Singapore and Malaysia? If so, then the smartest move is to use an eSIM that keeps you connected in both countries without needing to buy separate SIM cards along the way. For this route, Saily is a great option to consider. I've added a 15% discount link in the description. It works for all Saily plans worldwide, so if you choose Saily, make sure to use that link before you buy. It's an easy saving. Here's why Saily works well for a Singapore and Malaysia trip. Setup takes just a couple of minutes. Choose your plan, install the eSIM before you fly, and when you land in either Singapore or Malaysia, your data activates automatically. No airport queues, no passport registration for SIM cards, and no switching providers as you cross borders. Pricing is one of the key advantages. Nesday, Plan Singapore, plans start at $3.99, which is ideal for light data use. Malaysia's plans start at the same price. But if you're traveling through both countries for a week or more, the 10 gig plan is the best value. It gives you enough data for maps, social media, transport apps, restaurant searches, and everyday browsing across both destinations. If you need more, there are larger plans that remain reasonably priced, and applying the 15% discount makes them even better. Windshield is that Saily gives you 3% back in credits with every purchase. Those credits stack up and can be used toward your next plan, which is great if you travel often. In terms of trust and user experience, Saily holds a 4.7 out of 5 rating based on more than 97,000 reviews across the App Store and Google Play. Travelers consistently mention smooth setup, reliable coverage, and the convenience of activating everything before you fly. Coverage in both countries is strong on major local networks. In Singapore, you'll get fast and stable data everywhere, from Changi Airport to Marina Bay, Sentosa, Orchard Road, and across the MRT. In Malaysia, you'll stay connected in Kuala Lumpur, Penang, Langkawi, Malacca, Johor Bahru, and throughout most common travel routes in between. Another convenience is reusability. You install the eSIM once, and if your travels continue beyond Singapore and Malaysia, you can add new countries later without reinstalling anything. You'll receive data usage alerts so you never run out unexpectedly, and support is available 24/7 if you need help. So if you're traveling to Singapore and Malaysia and want one simple, affordable, and reliable way to stay connected, Saily is a solid choice. Use the link in the description to get 15% off any Saily plan worldwide. Have a great trip across Singapore and Malaysia.